So you've just transported your Canon Business Inkjet WG7000 series and you're ready to reinstall it. In this video, we'll show you how, step by step. Firstly, reinstall and plug in your machine. If you are unsure how to do this, refer to the installation and unboxing video. Turn on the machine. A reinstall menu will be displayed on your operations panel. Select Reinstalling the printer. Check the message displayed on the screen alerting you to the fact that you will need new consumables, and this process could take about 65 minutes. Be aware that once you begin reinstallation, this process can't be halted. If you are ready, select Yes. If you saved your settings during the Initialize or Settings step in preparation for transportation, you will only need to update a few additional settings, such as the time and date. Let's remove the Printhead locking rod. Select Unlock. Open the front cover. Pull out the Printhead locking rod by raising the blue lever and pulling it out gently towards you, being careful not to bend it. You'll need this if you want to transport the machine again, so don't throw it away. You can stow the Printhead locking rod here by facing the blue lever portion towards you and then pressing the rod to the left and hook it. Next, attach the handhold cover. Use a small coin or a flathead screwdriver to fasten it into place. While your front cover is open, let's install the ink tanks. If your ink tanks were removed before transporting the machine, they will now need to be reinstalled. We're starting with the black tank. Use these arrows to guide you and help you align your tank with its compartment. Push in and turn clockwise until the tank locks into place. Go ahead and repeat this process with all 4 tanks, ensuring that you match the colours with the labels and place them in their correct slots. Next, install the maintenance cartridge. Being careful not to touch the maintenance cartridge slot area. Holding it from the sides, slide it into place and close the front cover. Closing the front cover allows the ink to fill. This takes the same amount of time as when the machine was first installed, so about 40 to 70 minutes. If consumables become low while the ink is filling, they will need to be replaced. On your operations panel screen, it will read Processing. Do not turn the device off until the reinstallation is complete. Congratulations, you've successfully reinstalled your Canon Business Inkjet WG7000 series.